To buy oil futures on Etrade, the first step is to get familiar with the platform. If you don't already have an Etrade account, you will need to sign up and complete the registration process. Make sure to provide the necessary identification and financial information. Once your account is set up and funded, you can navigate to the trading platform. Next, search for the specific oil futures you want to buy. You can do this by entering the symbol for the oil futures contract in the search bar. Common symbols include CL for crude oil. Take your time to review the contract details, including the expiration date and pricing information. Understanding the specifics of the contract is crucial before making a trade. When you are ready to place an order, click the Buy button next to the futures contract. You will then be prompted to enter the quantity of contracts you wish to purchase. Make sure to check the estimated cost and any potential commissions that may apply. Review your order one final time to ensure everything is correct, and then submit your order. After placing your order, monitor its status within your account. You can track the performance of your oil futures and make adjustments to your positions as needed. Remember to stay informed about the oil market and global events that may affect prices, as futures trading can involve significant risks.